Now we want to add edit our contact page. So if we go into pages, here we can see all the pages, so the home page, about page, contact page. So we want to go into contact page. Now I want this to be a very simple page where people can land and contact us via adding their email and their message, and also via email contacts. So we haven't enabled the Divi builder on this page yet. It's just the standard WordPress editor at the moment. So we want to just click on use the Divi builder. And again, it brings up these two boxes, which is using the default editor, which we won't ever be using, and using the visual builder, which we will use later to style and customize the site from the front end. But from the back end, we want to insert our sections and our modules, and we're going to be doing that by copying what we've already created. So what I want to do is I want to add the contact form from my library, which I created on my homepage, and I also want to add the same header that I put into my about page. Even though I will be changing the image and the title, the styling and everything else will be exactly the same. So I'm just going to update that page, and I'm going to go into my about page so that I can save the header section. Now this is a great way to speed up your building process, is by saving out all your sections so that you can use them in different areas. So I'm going to save that to the library. I'm going to call it header. I'm not going to make this global because I want to make changes to it. And I'm just going to write header as a category and save that to my library. Now as I scroll down here, I can see that there's the gallery and the email opt-in, something that I might want to add onto other pages. So while I'm here, I'm going to just save that to my library as well. I'm going to call it gallery plus email opt-in. I'm not going to make it global, and I'm just going to add to gallery, save and exit. I'm going to update that to make sure that everything saves there, and then I'm going to head back into the contact page. So back into pages and into contact page, and here I'm going to add from library, and I'm going to add the header section for pages. Get rid of that one, and then also I'm going to add from my library the contact form section. Now I'm going to go in here and change my image. Just by clicking that settings. Select this one for now. Make sure you add the alternate text, and it was set to the parallax because that's what it was set on for the about page. And then I'm going to change the text because currently it says about. So I'm now going to change it to contact. Change that admin label to contact header. Let's just have a look. So it's added the same font type and the shadow behind it because that's what it was, the about page. So it just saves a lot of time. And then the contact section, which has the written text, the contact form, and the social media follow in there. So I'm just going to update that one, and then we can preview what it looks like. Let's go to preview changes. So this is what your visitors will land on. So it says contact. Please get in touch to find out more about classes that we run and how you can get involved, and where they can fill in their name, email and message, and how they can contact us by email, and their social media links. That's a nice simple contact page. Back on the dashboard and back into pages, we've created the home page, the about page, and the contact page. The next step we're going to be looking at is customizing our menu bar. So when we visit our site, so up here you can go and visit your site from the dashboard. At present, it's the white menu with this linking through. So I want to go in and I want to change all that to make sure that it fits with my branding. The next step is setting up our menu.